You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. It has different meanings and different pronunciations, does it, in different languages, at least different meanings. So, first of all, this exists in Italian with quite a lot of different meanings, and it's pronounced in Italian Dai. Now, in Indian, it means a midwife or wet nurse, and it's pronounced in India as Dai. This is also a Welsh or a Japanese masculine given name. It's also Japanese pronunciation Dai. It also exists in other languages, in Vietnamese, Dai. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.